On the 30th, this very month, every person, come and I shall give you water that I have washed through my head. I want you to use it. It's going to be a Saturday with your seed of 100,000. Come and I give you the water that I've used from my head, and you also wash it with your head. Remember people who are here on the day of a ring, I told you. And I say that there is witchcraft that come upon your head. And you seek for what to do and you don't see. But there is something seated on your head or in your brain. But I promise you, whoever is going to wash with this water, you will see that your brain is released. That's why you see, every time I come here, I always want children over the line so that I can tap my head with theirs. I believe that God gave me knowledge, wisdom. The no wisdom He gave me is the same wisdom He's going to put into your children. That wisdom He gave me, the same wisdom is going to put into your head. The time comes and your brain is caught up. It's not that you're stupid or hopeless, that there is witchcraft that comes into your brain, and you say, I've tried this, it has failed. I've done this, it has also failed. I've gone to Abu Dhabi, it has failed. I've gone so and so because things have failed. I've done any kind of business, things have failed.
What is the next?
What is next? And then your brain is caught up. I promise you, if you will use that water that I've washed from my head, and you also wash it in your head, ever it will be a dream will come, and the Lord will tell you, wake up, go and do such and such a thing. It will come for you to plan for what others have never thought of. Wisdom. Clap your hands to Jesus.